Welcome to 1 Hour Video Formula. We're Erin and Angela Bell, and we're going to show you how you can easily start using video to attract your perfect buyers and sellers in just 1 hour.
As a real estate professional, you may already know that real estate listings with video get 4 times more inquiries. But did you also know that 85% of buyers and sellers prefer to work with a real estate professional that markets with video?
But who has the time or the budget to hire a professional video production team to create all of your videos for you? Now you don't have to.
You can create your own powerful real estate marketing videos with your smartphone.
Welcome to 16 Hidden Valley Road. I'm Sarah Dean, sales representative with RE/MAX Quinte. This stunning custom-built home is located on top of the hill on a premium lot with stunning views overlooking the Hearthstone Ridge subdivision.
In the 1 Hour Video Formula, we're going to show you step by step how to make your own video just like this using your smartphone.
We'll show you how to set up your smartphone for video success and introduce you to a couple of simple tools that you can use to get the most out of your videos.
We'll show you exactly what to film and how to film it to give you professional quality results for your own videos.
And we'll wrap things up by showing you how to edit your footage together into an engaging video that your buyers will love to watch.
With 1 Hour Video Formula, you can attract more listings and buyers when you market yourself with video.
You can create pro quality video with your smartphone when you know the right techniques.
And you can have the confidence to create engaging videos about all of your properties that your audience will love.
If you want an easy and affordable way to create and share your own property marketing videos, then 1 Hour Video Formula is for you.